Be very careful who you let in your head. How many people won't let people walk in your house unless they take their shoes off? So what in the world are you doing on Facebook letting people walk all through? I'm so sorry. That was so confrontational. I'm just trying to help you to see the discrepancy. That a lot of times we will protect everything more than we protect our headspace. Everything. Don't get in my car with those dirt. You can't leave trash in my car, but I will go seek out trash on my phone. And I can get a new car, but I only have so much headspace. I only have so much. And I need it for my family, and I need it for my church, and I need it for those who count on me, and I need it for my future. So no, you just can't walk through my mind with muddy shoes. I'm not being mean. I'm being strategic because I got a call on my life.